Wow, Bobby, you get work on you now. Make sure you're not up to your usual tricks, cause me I watch you like a hawk.
Bossy, I'm doing some pruning in my garden. I can take some sawdust for help with it.
Sure, son. Take as much as you want.
Respect, boss.
Oi, Bobby, where you having at the wheelbarrow? Give me a search. Bobby Trickster, your 2-week work stint finished without any incident? Have you seen anything suspicious on the site for the past few days? No, boss. I have everything locked. Well, 14 wheelbarrows are missing from the site.
Hey, look, Bobby. Where the eye up to?
Me I sell some wheelbarrow.